Oh, hello again, my friend. Come sit with me on this big green leaf. Today, we'll draw a wiggly little caterpillar together. Look, our little friend down there. She's so small, but she takes one tiny step at a time, all the way up the big tree. Let's start. One little circle and another circle, holding hands, and one more. A little chain, that's her whole body. Now, on the very first circle, 2 tiny eyes and a little curved smile. Hello, little one. Tiny little legs along the bottom for 1, 2, many little steps, and 2 little antennas on top to say hello. Sometimes a big day can feel giant, but we don't jump to the top of the tree all at once. We take one happy little step at a time. Thank you for drawing with me. Goodbye for now, my friend.
Every great artist started with one little line.